Welcome back to House Hunt Daily, your daily destination for discovering affordable and unique homes for sale across the United States. Today we're exploring Ohio and touring 7 properties that offer everything from investment opportunities to peaceful retirement living and beautifully updated family homes. Number 1. Cleveland, Ohio, $135,000. Home details: 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,882 square feet. This massive multi-family property in Cleveland is packed with opportunity and potential. With nearly 3,000 square feet of living space, 6 bedrooms, and 3 bathrooms, this renovated duplex could become an incredible investment or multi-generational living setup. The current owner has already completed much of the hard work, redesigning the floor plans with a modern touch and adding stylish finishes throughout. Both units feature separate entrances and open kitchen and dining layouts that feel spacious and inviting. The upper story unit is almost move-in or rent-ready, while the lower level still offers room to add your own finishing touches. One of the standout features is the huge third-floor primary suite in the upper unit, while the lower unit includes a partially finished lower level designed for a future luxury-style bedroom and bath. Outside, the property already shines with a newer roof, updated windows, fresh siding, front porches, a privacy fence, and an asphalt driveway. For buyers searching for homes for sale with income potential and major upside, this Cleveland property is worth serious attention. Number 2. Fairborn, Ohio, $150,000. Home details: 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,708 square feet. Comfort and convenience come together beautifully in this spacious home located in South Point Village. Sitting on a corner lot, this well-maintained property offers over 1,700 square feet of comfortable living space designed for both relaxing and entertaining. Inside, you'll find multiple gathering areas filled with natural light, including a cozy living room complete with a fireplace. The split-bedroom layout creates extra privacy, while the separate dining space adds a more traditional feel for family meals or hosting guests. The kitchen provides ample cabinetry and counter space, making everyday cooking simple and functional. The primary suite features its own private bathroom and generous closet space, while the additional bedrooms are flexible enough for guests, hobbies, or a home office. Outside, enjoy peaceful mornings on the covered porch or evenings relaxing on the patio. Conveniently located near shopping, parks, dining, and major highways, this is one of the most practical homes for sale on today's list. Number 3. Niles, Ohio, $145,000. Home details: 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,086 square feet. Located directly across from Stevens Park, this adorable ranch-style home offers charm, warmth, and a fantastic location. From the moment you enter, you're greeted by a generous entryway and bright living spaces filled with natural light. The combination of vinyl tile and original hardwood flooring creates a perfect blend of updated style and timeless character. The spacious living room centers around a beautiful fireplace, making it the ideal place to relax during cooler evenings. The kitchen offers plenty of cabinetry and an eat-in dining area that works perfectly for everyday living. Downstairs, the walkout basement opens the door to endless possibilities, whether you need extra storage, a hobby space, or future living space expansion. Outside, the private rear patio and fenced area create a safe and comfortable outdoor setting for pets, children, or entertaining guests. Among affordable homes for sale in Ohio, this one offers an excellent mix of comfort and location. Number 4. Elyria, Ohio, $68,000. Home details: 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,560 square feet. This move-in ready home inside the highly desirable Twin Lakes 5-5 gated community offers peaceful living with an active lifestyle. Surrounded by scenic ponds and beautifully maintained grounds, this property combines comfort, convenience, and community amenities all in one affordable package. Inside, the open floor plan feels bright and welcoming thanks to volume ceilings and abundant natural light. Elegant crown molding and attractive trim details add charm throughout the spacious living areas. The kitchen is designed for entertaining, with beautiful cabinetry, a large center island, and included appliances. The owner's suite provides a relaxing retreat with a massive vanity, oversized soaking tub, and walk-in closet. Step outside onto the oversized covered front porch, a rare feature in the community and the perfect place to enjoy quiet mornings or evening conversations. Residents also enjoy amenities like pickleball courts, a fitness center, clubhouse activities, fishing, and social events. For buyers searching for affordable homes for sale in a welcoming community, this property delivers tremendous value. Number 5. Toledo, Ohio, $114,900. Home details: 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 704 square feet. Small in size but big on charm, this updated home in Toledo offers simple and comfortable living in a convenient location. Situated on a corner lot within the Washington Local School District, this property is ideal for first-time buyers, downsizers, or anyone looking for low-maintenance living. Inside, the updated kitchen and bathroom create a fresh, modern feel, while durable vinyl flooring throughout makes upkeep easy. The layout feels cozy and functional, designed to maximize every square foot of living space. Outside, the oversized detached garage provides excellent storage or workspace potential, while the fenced yard creates a private outdoor area for relaxing or entertaining. Located close to shopping, restaurants, and everyday conveniences, this is one of the most affordable homes for sale for buyers wanting comfort without sacrificing convenience. Number 6. Port Clinton, Ohio, $145,000. Home details: 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,161 square feet. Experience relaxed Lake Erie living in this beautifully maintained home located in a welcoming 55-plus community. Fully furnished and completely move-in ready, this property offers comfort, convenience, and a peaceful atmosphere just minutes from local attractions. The home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an attached garage, and a screened-in porch perfect for enjoying warm summer evenings. Inside, the layout feels bright and inviting, with comfortable living spaces designed for easy everyday living. Residents of the community enjoy quick access to island ferries, wineries, local restaurants, boutique shopping, and scenic lakefront attractions. Whether you're searching for a year-round residence or a relaxing getaway, this property stands out among homes for sale near Lake Erie for its location and lifestyle. Number 7. Martins Ferry, Ohio, $149,900. Home details: 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 1,236 square feet. This beautifully updated ranch home offers modern upgrades, peaceful surroundings, and nearly half an acre of land to enjoy. From the moment you arrive, the large front porch creates a welcoming first impression and the perfect place to unwind. Inside, the home has been thoughtfully renovated with new flooring, a remodeled kitchen, granite countertops, soft-close cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. Major updates like the metal roof, garage door, and hot water heater provide additional peace of mind for future homeowners. Step out back onto the new deck and enjoy the quiet outdoor setting with plenty of space for gatherings, gardening, or simply relaxing outdoors. For buyers exploring updated homes for sale with land and modern finishes, this Martins Ferry property checks all the boxes. Thanks for joining House Hunt Daily as we toured these affordable and unique homes for sale across Ohio. From investment opportunities in Cleveland to peaceful retirement communities and beautifully updated ranch homes, today's lineup offered something for every kind of buyer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for more amazing home tours from across America.